Hello guys, so I am Shivam Raj. So this is my second day for taking a challenge yesterday of 360 day challenge to improve our English. So today we are going to discuss about full stack development. So here Shivam Raj and another side Asnehasis Samal.
Hello, guys.
So at first I will introduce myself. So I am Shivam Raj. I am a computer science engineering student as a sixth semester right now. I did front-end development skills like HTML, CSS, JavaScript in first semester. Then learn about Python basics. After that, uh, we I did a project on the basis of Flutter. I created a file manager app where we can arrange data on the basis of searching and sorting. After that, during our college, there are two, three events in which one was related to hackathon, in which I had participated. That was for problem solving skills, in which first round for basic coding and second one for in complex coding. After all, I had participated twice in hackathon.
Mm,
Once to develop a full stack application for a stocks prediction, a stocks price prediction application. So, in which we created a app on the basis of past 10-20 years of data. That data will predict whether the a particular stocks will go up or down. So that was the hackathon. Then we did a mini project on clean water and sanitation. So actually, we implemented IoT in that project. IoT means Internet of Things, communication between sensors and devices. So we taken some electronics component like sensors, contamination detections. Then in what was that? One board, then some battery like electronic cables to supply electricity, and that was the mini project. After that, learning React, and from this semester, I am learning backend development. So that's it. I will try to not introduce myself so long. It went so long.
mm.
So what about you?
Yeah. So I have told about myself in the day one also. Once again, I am Sansi Samal. I am from CSC in the BECSC and currently doing my 6M. And also, I've done my two internships and all. I've told that. And also, I have gained like three hackathon certificates, and also I have earned certificate in Oracle and KB Morgans.
Okay.
So yeah, today I think we have to talk about some full stack development. So what about that? Like every student needs to know some development and all. So full stack is one of them, the development side.
Actually, it is
So
a
can you
current
say
trend
some of
also.
that? Hmm. Now the current trend is AI only, not
No,
full stack. Is like second,
it's not on the peak level right now.
yeah, but it will be peak
Hmm.
in some years. AI will be the top.
Yeah.
Yeah, can you say some of the full stack development, like what
Okay.
all for the beginners you can say it.
Actually, full stack development means for beginners like who don't know anything about development, who just came in first year, first semester for to college. So actually, full stack development means front end, second backend, and then third one database. Most of the people think about front end and back end is a full stack development, but including database is known as full stack development. Front end means what we are watching on a platform like Flipkart, shopping application like Flipkart, then trading application like Angel One. So what we are watching is called front end. What is
Mm.
working behind, like when we are doing login, actually some data are stored, already stored. Our user data and our password already stored. So that data are stored in backend part as a backend. Then that data are actually stored in database. That database is another part of full stack development. So what we are watching is front end. Like on Flipkart, we are watching every items what we want to purchase. We don't know we can how our items are placed order, and how it is going to ship, how it is going to deliver within 5 days. We don't know anything about it. These things are working in background, and the data like our user data, our phone number, our address, everything is stored in database. So this is the overview of full stack development. So full stack can be a application or website. Like Flipkart is also application and also a website. We can do shopping on website also, we can do shopping through application also. So this is, if you want to add something you can add.
Yeah, so basically, if you want to become a full stack developer, so you need some skills. Like you have, as you told that you have front end, back end, and database. In that, we have different subcategories. So in the front end, we have like HTML, CSS, JavaScript. We have, and also we have some frameworks like Angular, your React.js, Vue.js, and all we have. So basically, that works on front end. Like receive, I'm told that we can see that websites and all apps we are basically absorbing, like visualization. So basically, that works on front end. So that makes front end makes the your designing, your scripting basically. That makes good responsive. You can see it and you can use it anywhere. So and for that we need some skills like I told that, right? And in backend also we have like different skills. Like if you want to try on Python, we have to go to Django. If you want to continue in a JavaScript, so you can use called as Next.js and all. And if you want to basically start with Java and all, so you have to learn Spring Boot for that. And database also we have different thing, like you have SQL and no SQL. That is the difference of structured language and unstructured language. So backend means inside that what it is happening. So where users cannot be seen, like your security, it can be happen. Like in banks, we can see the pictures, websites, and all. But inside that, how it the transferring the money is going on inside that. We don't know about that. That is the work of backend. They will do that work by checking and all. They will use security and all. So privacy, security, that is all important in the that. And database means your data will be collected in that, like doing login things. You are booking a ticket, so that is important in database. That is storing all your data basically. That is very important for full stack. So
Yeah.
I guess you can explain some of the things inside that, how it is like working and all.
So which language you want to recommend those students who are just now comes to college?
See, if you are a beginner and you don't know any languages, so just start with HTML, CSS. That is very much easy. If you do it that, and JavaScript, yeah, you can learn basics. So if you learn basics of JavaScript, you can do it. React.js will be easy. So because React.js you can use, it is a JXS. right? JSS means you can use your HTML code here directly in React. And if you want to learn some coding skills, so you can learn Python first. So because it is very much easy and easy to understand, it is like a English grammar like. So you can learn very much easily, quickly. After that, you can change the languages.
I thought C should, those students should prefer C also. Like likewise Python for the first time. If he or she not aware anything about any 1% of programming language.
That is also good. But if you want a good job, like you want to start faster, DSA and all, you should start with Python only, I guess.
L-
But if you want, like you know some coding languages in your 12th standard or 11th standard, you
hmm,
can start with Java and all, or C++.
hmm.
You can do it.
If some students did programming in 11 12th, then
Mhm.
Java is the best.
Yeah, it is actually best. You can do anything. Like it is in the top performer. So, but yeah, I can say Python will be very much easy. Moderate will be Java, and the topmost difficult will be C++ as such.
Yeah. So
Hmm. For
like
full stack development, how much months it can be like for freshers?
it will take 1.5 year for beginner, like basic knowledge for full stack development. 1.5 year continuous learning.
But they should be consistent. Then they can do it. If not,
Actually,
like it takes time.
yeah, your point is perfect. Like if you learn something, okay, like first of all, if you learn HTML and you left it for 1 month, 2 month, HTML, you left it for 1 month. After that, if you try to learn CSS, you will forget everything. You will not get what you learn in HTML. And if you learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, everything within 1 or 2 months, and you left again for one around 2 3 months, like yeah, I know everything. I don't need to practice. So this is not good. If you will left for more than 1 month, 2 month, you will forget everything. Everything means everything, every concept. Um, so consistency matters a lot. It will give you confidence while doing coding.
Mm. Yeah, that is very important for every engineers or any students. They are pursuing this.
Like you can't see where are you going right now, but if you are doing a small things, a small coding daily, like just 15 minute daily, you will see what are the changes you have after 1 month, after 2 month, after 3 month. But right now people watching himself within 1 month, 1 day, like what I learned today, what I learned yesterday. So you will not get anything. You will get demotivated also if you will see yourself within 1 day, 2 day. You should see yourself after 1 month or 6 months. Like, what are the things I learned?
Hmm. Yeah, you should also participate in hackathons and all. So that is very much important. Where, right, Shivam?
Yeah, correct. Actually, hackathon is the best part where we can execute our knowledge,
Yeah.
like
So
competition.
basically, you have to give your problem statement and you have to solve that problems.
Hmm.
You learn very new things also.
Uh, new things and many things that you don't know. You are not aware, like what's going on in our society, what's our friends going learning. Like when we were participated in hackathon during Dayanand Sagar, in Dayanand Sagar College, we don't know that my friends also participated here, and one of my friends won first prize or second prize, I guess second prize. And that team was working on AI. Like, how can you get something? Like, you can develop something. You can develop a AI model, your own AI model, so that you can search something there. And he won. And we were not aware about it. Like, we can create AI model also. Actually, he was from. He was in. Not he was. He is in AI database, data computer science database branch. So those are students know. Very good. Participating in a hackathon after like once, twice within 6 months, it is far better.
So can you say about database what all we have, types and all, what
Okay.
does it works?
Okay. So it is a good question. There are actually three type of database. No, sorry, two type of relational, non-relational. In relational, there are few types like SQL, no SQL. Then no in non-relational database, few types are MongoDB. Then
No, no,
uh,
it is not
no,
like that.
MongoDB is
In
also no,
and
no.
see, so basically there are two types of database.
Hmm.
First is SQL and non-SQL. In SQL, there are two types. MySQL we have, and one more we have, that is PostgreSQL. And in non SQL we have no SQL we have two types. That is our comes around no which one, that MongoDB we have, and also we can say that DynamoDB.
What about relational, non-relational?
Relational means SQL, and non-relational means no SQL.
Okay, no
Non-relational means
relation.
not in structure, right? Not in
Hmm.
structure. It's in JSON format,
Hmm.
basically.
No relation between
So
data.
yeah,
Okay, so it's enough for today, I guess.
yeah, yeah.